I've been with NetSoft Communications since last 5-6 months now. A couple of my friends who have taken the courses with NetSoft recommend me to get some initial knowledge, information, and all that sort of thing. And that's where I started communicating with Tariq Azad. He advised me to take the beginner courses, which is Active Directory 2003. And that particular course itself helped me make a decision to go for a complete track of Microsoft. Taken 3 courses, and now I'm taking VMware as well. My future plan is to go for the complete virtualization track, which includes VMware, Citrix. One thing which I can say about NetSoft Communication is that it will really help you, motivate you in each and every way. The class size are very perfect. You get exposure from the experts, including the teachers, and most of my colleagues, they are already in the field of IT. Bring the real-time business knowledge in the classroom. Our exposure in the class are very positive, very energetic, and it does add the value in education. The best part, from my perspective, is that any course which they are offering, like if Microsoft is recommending that course to be in 40 hours or 50 hours, NetSoft Communication put more than like 100 and 120 hours on that particular course with a lot of lab exposures in order for you to really understand the whole scenario in depth. Recommend anybody who is interested to go in the field of IT. Either he is already in IT or he wants to change his career or something. Just come and take 1 or 2 courses from here, and then and only you can realize and understand how the training with NetSoft different than any other institution.